You know, it's funny that our planet is called Earth, when really, quite clearly, it should be called Ocean. And in 1921, in January 15th, there was a ship that was found in the Diamond Shoals called the Carol Deering. This is a 5-mast schooner. That's a pretty big ship. It's got 5 masts on it. But the thing that was found about this ship was that it was totally abandoned. Its crew of 11 or 12 people, they're not sure how many was on it, just seemed to abandon all their posts. Food was still being cooked. All the utensils was still on the table. It's as though it all happened mid-meal. It's one of the great maritime mysteries. And yet, even now, they don't have any answers for it. So here's what we know. We know that the lifeboats were missing. We know the navigational equipment was missing. And that the anchors were also missing. As well, other than the ship's, like the wheel of the ship, the steering wheel, other than that being broken, there was no signs of violence. And people seem to abandon this ship in a flash, so fast. And so when the ship was found, they had no idea why the crew has never been found. No one's ever had any sort of idea whatever happened to these people. And that to me is pretty odd. Like, why would they have just abandoned the ship like that? And there's been people who said it was pirates. You know, pirates did it. Well, if pirates did it, why didn't they take the ship? And if pirates did it, there would be some signs of violence, wouldn't there? I mean, it wasn't like it happened in the middle of the night. People were eating. They were at a table. So if that's the case, why was it that the Carol Deering was just abandoned to flounder, this rather expensive 5-masted ship? Now, there's many, many stories like this, but the Carol Deering is one of the more famous ones. You've got to ask yourself, because there was such cost associated with it, that's why, you know, this has gone down in history. But how many smaller ships, how many events like this could have occurred where something like a UFO or a USO could have come along, done something? Or perhaps there was some sort of a fade out where, you know, they crossed over in some kind of breach. But even then, you've got this situation with the anchors and the steering wheels. What's all that about? To me, when I look at the episode involving the Carol Deering, all I can really say about it is that it seems pretty odd.